मजेदार स्टोरीज का नॉन-स्टॉप हाफ एन आवर का फॉर्मूला है जी कनेक्ट, which is brought to you by your favorite host and dost Priya. So let's begin this week's episode of your favorite TV show, Z Connect Season 8. Internationally, a lot of women are coming out in the open as part of the Me Too movement. Krishika Lulla recently created a very unique song that expresses the feelings of women who have gone through this negative experience. Let's meet the team to find out more. Krishika, Ajay and Sanjeev, so nice to have you here in Dubai with us. Welcome to Z Connect. And this song that you all have created, Ore Nasiba, which is very, very impactful as I have seen the song itself and the video even more. Krishika, tell us, what were you thinking when you created this video? Did you expect it to create an impact that it is creating today?
I had no idea in the beginning. Of course, I wanted to make a beautiful song, so I had, when I met Sanjeev, so I gave him the concept, the feel, the emotions, and the kind of song I want to make together. So this Ore Nasiba song came and I really loved it. So the concept, after listening to the song, I got the concept in my mind. And the concept was difficult because it had 3 stories.
Yes.
Plus dance, and if you see there's action, there's to have the singer in it, give each one equal visibility.
Correct.
So that was very important, and I had to show karma also. So my thoughts were like running like, okay, I need to do so much, but to explain somebody else to do it, I thought it'll be a little difficult. What if he doesn't do this? What if he doesn't do this? Had so many things in my head. So I said, okay, I decided, okay, I'm going to do it.
Your song is clearly like, it is talking about women and how whatever they are going through in the industry and otherwise, also in different spheres, different phases of their lives. Something which is clearly putting out a message like this. I think this is the first song of its kind.
It's the first song of its kind, I would say. And I wanted to show it also subtle. That's why the emotions are through the dance.
Yes.
The depth,
the tears and the feelings.
Like a small kid, if you can say, she will not know what is happening. She would just feel the anger. So it gave her a lot of anger in her dance. And a girl, teenager, of course, she would know what has happened. And so she has all the tears in her. With her when she was dancing, ballet dance. And the third dance was very contemporary, and she was sad because after taking permission from her parents, and then she's gone into it, but she didn't know she's going to face that. So how could she even mention it to her parents? So that's why she had full sad, but that sadness in her dance.
Yeah. Ajay and Sanjeev, when you were explained this whole idea, what were your thoughts like?
When Krishika ji was narrating us the whole thought, same time he made the lyrics and we had composed the tune also. We went back to the studio, did it nice. Next day we came with the song and it clicked like this. It was very fast, like the process was very quick because the way she explained and gave us the whole idea of the song, we knew exactly how it has to be put. What she wanted. And I think next day we were on top of it.
Right. And Monali has sung this song. So what was in your mind when you chose her to actually do this?
We actually had at least 10 to 15 singers singing the song. They had given us a scratch with their vocals, and I really did not like anyone. So the song had a lot of high pitch, and the emotional. There are a lot of emotion in the song. So even that feeling had to come while singing the song.
Yeah.
So Monali is a good friend of mine. So I just called her up. I said, Monali, would you like to sing a song? She's saying, sure. So I'll just send you the scratch. Listen to the lyrics. You take a call, because it's not that you have to sing the song because you know me very well. It's just, it's on you. So she heard it immediately. She called me and she said, "Of course, I'm going to sing the song for sure." So that's how she came, and I went in while the recording was going on. Also, like I had my own take, telling like, I feel still the emotions are not coming out. I fail to understand how I could do that. That was something which I've never done.
When she narrated this story, and songs was in her mind.
Yeah.
ये मुझे ऐसा गाना चाहिए करके. And within 5 minutes the song was ready. Then we thought that we should make it complete, make it in a different way. Then we'll present. Then we presented a song to her. इस songs में बहुत ज़्यादा emotions थे. And ये first time actually it's an international issue Me Too.
Yes.
And first time किसी ने सोचा था कि Me Too के issue पर हम गाना बनाएंगे. And ये हर कोई सोचता नहीं है. As a woman मैम को लगा कि यार इस पे बनना चाहिए गाना. And उसके थॉट बनाना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. आप फिल्मों के लिए लिखते हो, एक अलग थॉट होता है उस टाइम में, पर आप इस टाइप की सिचुएशन पे लिखते हो तो बड़ा मुश्किल होता है लिखना करके. तो हम लोग को ईजी बहुत ज़्यादा क्या हो जाता था कि जब ये नरेट करते हैं तो आधे से ज़्यादा जो लिरिक्स वो अपने आप ही अपनी तरफ से प्रेजेंट कर देते हैं कि ये लिरिक्स ऐसा है. तो बहुत ईजी होता है उस टाइम लिखना कि आधे लिरिक्स मिल चुके होते हैं, बस उसको माला में बनाना होता है, प्रेजेंट करना होता है ये. एंड डबिंग के टाइम पर भी एज ए कंपोजर वी वर सेटिस्फाइड, गाना अच्छा है, अभी सब परफेक्ट है करके. बट जो फीलिंग इनको चाहिए थे कि ये है, तो वो टेक का पूरा क्रेडिट इनका एक्चुअली जाता है. गाना डब होने के बाद में रीडब करवाया गया, कहाँ क्या एक्सप्रेशन चाहिए, क्या फीलिंग चाहिए थे, वो फिर कृष्णा मैम
इमोशंस शुड कम
हाँ.
फ्रॉम एवरी लाइन.
क्योंकि क्या है, कभी कभी एक लाइन को बड़ा सिंपल गा सकते थे, जैसे इसमें आ कभी देख ले मेरे जख्मों को तू, पर उसमें फीलिंग नहीं आती है. तो उसमें इनका ये आउटपुट था कि इसको थोड़ा फील करके आ कभी देख ले मेरे जख्मों को तू, तेरी आँखों से आंसू छलक जाएंगे. तो वो फील के साथ पूरा टेक
You can see a whole lot of difference between the two. Were there any things, Krishika, that you had to be careful of, or any kind of challenges that you felt you were going through while making this?
Challenge was especially for the child when I had to show. I really didn't want to show, but it is happening around the whole world.
Yeah.
As I just mentioned, that 6-month-old child also has gone through, which I read in a newspaper. It was very creepy and horrible feeling. So you can imagine what a mother has gone through. So it's very difficult, for all of us, I would say, to even read such nasty things which is going around. And of course I had to keep it very subtle. That's why I had that
so always a bit of a challenge because you're showing reality, the truth that's happening around in the world. At the same time, you can't be like all out and it's not news or anything.
So I had to show it very subtly with the dance.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
This calls for a Nanha Munna break, but don't go anywhere because we are coming back with lots more on the other side. Thank you very much for staying with us on Zee Connect. Chhatrapati Shivaji का नाम किसने नहीं सुना? Well, Shiv Jayanti was recently celebrated by Maharashtrians in the UAE. तो चलिए देखते हैं वहाँ क्या हुआ.
यहाँ पे ये करने का ये मेन इंटेंशन है हम लोग का कि यहाँ पे जो बच्चे हैं उनको हमारे महाराष्ट्र के बारे में काफ़ी कम जानकारी है. तो इसलिए कि उनको ये मालूम पड़ेगा कि महाराष्ट्र में भी ऐसी कुछ संस्कृति थी जो छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ने, लोकमान्य तिलक ने और ऐसे बहुत सारे ऐतिहासिक जो हुए, उन्होंने जो एक साथ महाराष्ट्र को जोड़ के रखने के लिए प्रोग्राम किया था, वो आज हम भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ये 2nd ईयर है और जो पहला ईयर था उसमें भी काफ़ी अच्छा हमको लोगों का प्रोत्साहन मिला.
We are 3 people who are partners in the event company. We generally do all the regional and cultural events in Sharjah. We have done Dandiya nights in Sharjah last 2 years now. And this is the second year celebration of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti in Sharjah. And it's a great pleasure that we are able to get this done in Sharjah itself on this much mass scale.
लगभग 5,000 पीपल आए थे महाराष्ट्रियन और ओनली महाराष्ट्र नहीं आए थे, इंडिया के जितने भी राज्य है जैसे स्टेट्स है उधर से भी आए, क्योंकि ये शिवाजी महाराज ओनली महाराष्ट्र का ही नहीं पूरे इंडिया का है, पूरे दुनिया का है। इसके लिए भारत के जो राज्य दूसरे राज्य है उधर से भी लोग आए थे और लोगों ने बहुत एंजॉय किया। फिर इधर फूड स्टॉल्स है, लिटरेचर है और काफ़ी ऐसे जानकारी मिलती है।
यहाँ पे आके तो बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रहा है। जय शिवाजी। सभी महाराष्ट्रियन लोग यहाँ आए हैं और महाराष्ट्र के क्या पूरी दुनिया के जो हमारे राजा है, राजा शिव छत्रपति, उनके लिए ये उत्सव आज मना रहे हैं हम लोग। तो काफ़ी उत्साह है और आप देखेंगे तो काफ़ी लोग यहाँ मराठी पहनाव में आए हुए हैं, पगड़ी पहने हुए हैं और नौवारी पहने हुए हैं लेडीज़, और जो महाराष्ट्रियन जो मेन होता है वो सब यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई देगा।
पिछले 12 साल से हम लोग यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं शारजा में, दुबई में, लेकिन ऐसा मौका हम लोग पहली बार ही देख रहे हैं। ये दूसरा साल है इनका एक्चुअली, तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। जो हम लोग फेस्टिवल वहाँ पे मतलब वहाँ का जो फेस्टिवल यहाँ पे जो मिस करते थे वो अब हम एंजॉय कर पा रहे हैं।
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलता है हमें यहाँ पे, लेकिन पिछले साल से ये शुरुआत किए तो बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रहा है, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। जैसे कि हम एक फेस्टिवल में आए हैं, वैसे तो यहाँ पे कुछ इतना नहीं समझ आता, लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा है। आज ये ड्रेस में पहन के, ये साड़ी पहन के अपना बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रहा है। जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी।
टाइम फॉर अ छोटा वाला ब्रेक। आखिर बड़े बड़े शोज में छोटे छोटे ब्रेक्स तो चलते ही रहते हैं, राइट? सी यू सून। You are watching Z Connect and thank you so much for joining us once again. Up next is a fun-filled, full of masti story all the way from Goa. Our team came across the Viva Goa event which celebrated the true spirit of Goa. Check this out.
This is the Viva Goa Viva Carnival, which is happening for the 6th year over. 5 years back, 2014 is when we first started it. We started off pretty small, but today, this crowd talks for itself. We have nearly 600 people here, and we expect more by the evening. The function is all about, it's getting the community together, getting Goans together. Way back home, this is a very big function. The carnival goes on for 4 days, but unfortunately, we don't have that liberty here. So we do it on a single day, which is a Friday. But we make sure that we try and replicate everything from Goa into this scenario. Yep, brilliant atmosphere. I've been, as a band from La Vida, we have been performing for the same event for the last 5 years, and it's been amazing. Just keeps getting better and better, and we look forward to many more shows to come.
You see, we have got communities from all over the UAE. It is not only Goans in Abu Dhabi or Goans in Dubai. We have got Goans coming from Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah. We have got other communities, the East Indian community. We have got non-Catholic communities joining us here, and they're having a good time. Basically, they're coming here because they love this family-oriented entertainment which is dished out by Abu Dhabi Goans for 6 years running and counting. Abu Dhabi Goans, in association with Le Méridien, is into the 6th year of Viva Goa, Viva Carnival. And we have been having this year on year. And you can see the response for yourself. Tremendous response, tremendous crowds, tremendous enjoyment. This year, King Momo has got a unique message for all who have gathered here. A message of love, a message of affection, a message of consideration. We call it Mog Moipa Sani Mowalpon in Konkani. And this is the message which we want to harp on. King Momo is very clear that this message of his is an extension of the message in the year of tolerance which UAE is celebrating this year. King Momo extols us all to live this virtues.
Abu Dhabi Goans is a small group of Goans. We organize 3 to 4 shows a year. One of them is the Goan Carnival. As many people know around the world, the carnival is just before the season of Lent begins. So we have the Goan friends coming together here and many other people who come together, have a good time, eat, drink and be merry for a couple of days back home in Goa. But here is just an event for one day at the Le Méridien. And after this we begin the season of Lent, which is 40 days. So this is a time for having a little bit of fun, people getting together, people meeting each other and letting their hair down a little bit.
I think they should have more celebration like this to get more Goans together, because we Goans have very few occasions to celebrate except for this. And I would say Sanjao. There are 2 occasions what Goans look forward to. But believe me you, the Abu Dhabi Goans are doing a fantastic job organizing the carnival. And we guys from Dubai come all the way to Abu Dhabi to have a great time. Thank you to Abu Dhabi Goans, to Le Méridien and to you guys. Thank you very much.
Every year I expect it to be better, and it never fails to disappoint. It's absolutely amazing. The music, the people, my community. We see each other maybe once a week when we go to church. But when we come together here, everyone is together. We dance with everyone. Everyone is great. It's so much fun. The band is amazing. And the ambience, especially the environment, it's amazing. I just love to dance. I love to just, it's a connection to home. It's a connection to Goa. And this is home away from home. And people come from all Emirates, from Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah. They travel all the way just to experience this celebration. And we bring in the festivals prior to Ash Wednesday. So prior to Lent, we bring in all the festivities to get together. And once Lent starts, we observe it, in a solemn way together. It's a community experience. And I'm so grateful to be here.
इसी के साथ इस हफ्ते का जी कनेक्ट होता है यहीं पर खत्म। अगले हफ्ते एक बार फिर मैं आपसे मिलूंगी लेकर मोर स्टोरीज एंड मोर एंटरटेनमेंट। तब तक के लिए आपकी वन एंड ओनली होस्ट एंड दोस्त प्रिया और जी कनेक्ट की पूरी टीम की तरफ से हियर एट अल हब्तूर पोलो रिजॉर्ट विशिंग यू गाइज अ फैंटास्टिक वीक अहेड। मजेदार स्टोरीज का नॉन स्टॉप। Now Krishika Lulla has created. He's not going only from the phone. But don't go back. Time for a chota wala full of masti story on. See you again. See you soon. छत्रपति शिवाजी का नाम किसने नहीं सुना? वह शिव जयंती. I was going to say महाशिवरात्रि. So much for staying with join. Just Jamin seeks out new talents. फिर से आपसे एक बार फिर आपसे